Welcome to Elementary Physical Chemistry Lab for ASU Online students, Chem 343, for the fall 2023 semester. We're going to give a brief introduction as well as review the syllabus for the fall 2023 semester course. All information for this course for students can be found on ASU Online's Canvas LMS site, and all public information is at biopchem.education. So going to the biopchem.education, we've posted a PDF of the syllabus. We're looking at the first page of this syllabus, and let's briefly review some of the major points. The emphasis is on molecular thermodynamics, kinetics, and spectroscopy, which parallels a typical college-level physical chemistry course that students should be either currently enrolled in or have already taken as a prerequisite. This is a completely online course or laboratory, so everything will be done through Zoom meetings, will be posted videos, we'll have participation through online chat rooms and discussion boards, etc. We will have experimental, computational, and data and error analysis components to all major projects in this course, and all will be available through online or remote access. I'm Jeff Yarger, and my contact information is given here and provided at biopchem.education and on Canvas as well. I have a co-instructor, Sean Saylor, who's helped with the development and computational components related to this course. And the teaching assistant this semester is Chase Smith, who was a former student in this course as it was being developed. The office hours will be posted on Canvas through the Zoom tab, and you can link to those directly. We will try to make an option of different office hours available to meet the needs of students with quite varied schedules in this course. And again, the two main sites are Canvas for students enrolled in the course, and all information that can be publicly posted without any copyright, etc., will be at biopchem.education, including this syllabus. We mentioned the prerequisites already. Because this is an online course, students should have a good internet connection and computer where they can use modern software for remote access, like VNCs, for being able to annotate, manipulate PDF, Word documents, or for their lab reports, data analysis software, etc. A great resource for this for students enrolled in ASU Online Chem 343 is myapps.asu.edu. And again, all labs will be performed remotely online, and it's designed to be an asynchronous lab. So all recitation material will be posted online. And the primary evaluation and grades for this course will be based on 3 laboratory projects, all which contain a computational, remote experimental, and data analysis components to them. And that will be summarized in project reports that will be submitted on Canvas, will be peer evaluated. Those peer evaluations can then provide students the material they need for a revision of it, and that revised project report will end up being the main evaluation of each of completion and understanding of these projects. To promote participation, and since this is an online course, we're using YellowDig, which allows points to be attributed and directly passed into Canvas for participating, either peer-to-peer help, peer-to-instruction, answering polling questions, and participating in kind of online forums and discussions so that we can have a community to be able to help through these projects and to use that for understanding the material we're going to cover in this course. So, and I also give, of course, some general outline of when these 3 projects will be active and available for remote labs, when the due dates are for the report, reviews, anonymous reviews, which are handled through Canvas, has a automatic assignment of random peer reviews. Each student will be assigned 2 reports to anonymously peer review. Then students are able to use those reports or those peer reviews as well as any instructor and TA comments so that they can have a chance at a revised report if they choose so. And that final revised report, if submitted, or the initial report, it will be what's used for the primary evaluation of the projects. There's a significant 25% awarded to participation, and that is done through YellowDig. We try to make it fairly accessible for students who have conflicts during this kind of short and intense course, and so makeup projects are typically done through doing an additional project that we're currently in development that we call Project X, and details about that for students who either miss a report, a project completely, or need to redo something. The information's given here. We give a lot of detail about project reports, since this is one of the primary evaluations in this, and what you will also be reviewing other students. So in the syllabus, we give a fairly detailed rubric with a point distribution for how things should be evaluated as a reviewer, and when you're writing your report, a kind of a template or a guideline to what material needs to be in your final report. I talk about the peer review system and what you will also be 25% of your grade will come from the instructors evaluating how well you have done peer reviews, how accurate they are, how complete they are, how instructive they are in helping a student, etc., and how well they follow the rubric for evaluation. And so information is given about that here. And then finally, as I've mentioned earlier, for laboratory participation, we'll be using YellowDig, and this is encouraged that students daily check YellowDig at minimum every other day, and weekly points are provided for students participating in YellowDig so that we really generate a lot of peer-to-peer interaction and peer-to-instructor interaction in this course in a way that is minimal for kind of asynchronous online courses. The rest of this is the general policies, and I'm not going to cover that here, except I encourage students in the course to go through the syllabus, and if they have any questions, to ask on YellowDig directly, where we'll have forums about the syllabus, about each of the projects going on, the due dates, etc. Hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class.